guys, welcome back. Today we have a WPL C44 to unbox. I'm not going to go over every single detail on it, but as you guys know, this is probably the best kit that WPL has got out there at the moment. Just want to quick show you what comes in. You pretty much get everything except radio gear and ESC. Apart from that, everything it's in the box. You've got your engine bay in there, and seats, bumpers, looks like, part of the rear bed. You've got your wood, real wood for the rear bed. Got motor mounts, which you don't need because they give you a 2-speed gearbox as well, so you're not going to need that. Bar cards, put this out of the way now. You get your tyres and wheels, not as soft as some I have seen before, but they feel actually quite good, decent. Wheel weights, feels quite heavy. Mighty 2-speed gearbox with a 370 motor and your servo, which I believe is a 9-gram servo. Part of the drive shafts in there as well. Bridges, metal gears, all the rod ends, springs, and that will be for your linkages and the shock absorbers. You get your windscreen, I believe, lenses, and the main body itself. And the roof, of course you need the roof. And in there you get your steering servo, your lights, and I believe it's a bag of, it's either grease, I believe that's grease, and thread lock. Chassis rails. And you get instructions manual in English, a few stickers, I got myself a Tamiya, or Tamiya as you want to say it, I'm not sure, I say it Tamiya, a light kit, so I'll be running that on it. And to go with that, I've got my Fly Sky GT5, and most important bit, quick run 1060. I can only hear good things about them. I actually run one of these already in one of my cars, and it's pretty cool, very decent ESC. Right, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Thank you.